following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and the following areas in New York: Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens and Southern Nassau. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday. Locations: New York City, Nassau County, Southern Westchester, Southern Fairfield, and all of interior Southern Connecticut. Hazards: strong winds. Winds, northwest 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Timing: Sunday. Impacts: some tree limbs and branches might fall onto power lines, causing scattered power outages. Strong winds will make driving difficult on elevated roads and bridges. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. For the following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut: Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex and Southern New London. Wind advisory now in effect until 6 p.m. Sunday. Locations: Suffolk County, New York, and coastal New Haven, Middlesex and New London counties in Connecticut. Hazards: strong winds. Winds, north 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: through Sunday. Impacts: some tree limbs and branches might fall onto power lines, causing scattered power outages. Strong winds will make driving difficult on elevated roads and bridges. For the following areas in New Jersey: Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. Coastal flood advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Coastal flooding, minor tidal flooding expected. Timing: around the time of high tide, which occurs between about 3 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. Impacts: expect roadways most prone to minor tidal flooding to flood. Rainfall can enhance the local flooding, especially during the time of high tide, and for some back bays. For the following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Locations: the North Shore of Long Island and the South Fork of Suffolk County. Tidal departures: around 2 feet. Timing: around the time of high tide late this afternoon into early evening. Impacts: a few locations may touch minor coastal flooding thresholds around the time of high tide, particularly along the North Shore of Long Island and the north-facing shores of the South Fork of Suffolk County. Here is the latest weather map discussion.